Hi everyone, and welcome to assignment number 13 of Master the Lighting Assignment Group, but this time we're doing something completely different. Also, just a quick note for this video. This video is not for amateurs. This video is for people that want to go professional. The reason why, you'll figure out in the video. It's been exactly 1 year of assignments that I've given you. We covered a lot of lighting methods that can actually save you from whatever situation. We talked umbrella, reflectors, and anything that really a strobist could use to actually create whatever you want. But this time I want to do something different and that's going to be really useful to you. So throughout the years, I've been doing this for about 3 years now as a full-time photographer. And what I've discovered in photography is people that go pro have a thread throughout their portfolio. They have something that holds it together. They have one different style that really just takes over their entire life, entire portfolio. This assignment, number 13, is really not about now lighting techniques or anything like that. This is in the past. We covered all this stuff and there's more to see. We'll do some more in the future. But for now, I want to focus on portfolio building, which is, I think, the most important thing. Right now, it's summer, so indoors and outdoors are available for most people around the world, even Australia. So now there's no excuses to not shoot, to not do anything. This assignment is really, really open and also will really help you understand how to build something that will last forever, or at least get you to that next step so you can shoot some stuff that you really, really want to do. So for this assignment, it's pretty simple. We're going to do some personal projects. Why personal projects? It's the only way to get better. It's the only way to explore subjects that are deep within you or that are important to you. If we don't shoot personal projects, things that are close to us or things that are important to us, what are we doing? We're not photographers, we're not artists, we're just snappers. And there's a difference between a snapper and a professional. To me, one of those aspects is that you shoot personal work that really meant something to you, or is close to you or close to your heart. It could be a charity, it could be a subject matter, it could be a particular style, it could be anything really, just something that is close to you and you can actually understand very nicely. An example, you specialize in boudoir for plus size women to make them feel better in their own skin. That is your portfolio, that's what you want to do, that's what you want to explore, and that's what you want to master. Well, this is the assignment for you, shoot that. In my case, let's say, I want to do some more sports, I want to do some more grandiose sports photography, I want to do some crazy action and stuff like that. That's what I'll be doing for the next few months. You don't believe me? That's totally cool. But listen to those guys that I'm going to present in a few seconds that are talking about personal projects and how it developed their own career.
Take more pictures. The best piece of advice I would give to any photographer today, young photographer starting, or any photographer really, is produce more. Produce, 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 produce. Make more pictures. Get out there and do. Get out there and be creating. If I could create more, man, if I could produce twice as many images a year as I do now, I'd probably be twice as successful.
Or it could extend to my personal project. The other thing that I've been talking about for years is for people not to, like other photographers, not to wait around to get hired, like waiting for someone to come to them. It's instead to do your own work as if it were a commercial project, so that you keep like a sort of forward momentum. Maybe you guys have this feeling, but when you have a sort of dry spell, you can break it by just doing something, and then all of a sudden, like, life is weird like that. You get a little bit of forward momentum doing something yourself, and all of a sudden you're really super busy. So for photographers that are just sort of sitting around waiting for something to come, they're doing it wrong.
Yeah, it's not going to happen. Busy begets being busy.
Yeah, because you're putting stuff out into the world, and you're making connections with people. And because photography is a small business, that's the only way, I think, to get hired.
So how to do it? Just sit down, close Facebook, close the internet, put your phone on silent, put it away in another room, and sit down with a piece of paper and figure out, what do I want to shoot? For example, me, I want to do some soccer today, and I'll be showing some behind the scenes of that soccer shoot. I'll be shooting on Sunday, so a few days from now. What I want to do is I want to see some dramatic action with some soccer players, because I did so with hockey and also some ski things. It wasn't super actiony, but this time I want some action, so I got 2 models for this. I want to see also some movement. I want to see some crazy lighting, some very sharp things. I don't want to shoot shallow, I want to shoot very crisp, so I'm going to probably shoot at f8 with a very wide angle lens, so it's going to be really sharp. I want to have this wide angle, low angle thing. I did it before and I really like it, and I'm going to continue doing it in the future. So these are the things I want to do, and these are the things I'm going to do. I'm not going to wait for a client to pay me for that gig. I'll do my gig myself, and if the client loves it and wants the same thing, then he'll pay me for it. But then I'll know what I liked and what I didn't like and what I correct for the future. Personal projects is a way to develop your portfolio in a way that really advances your own thinking and your own method, and also it gives you a good direction of what you want to do overall in photography. So how are we going to manage assignment this month? It's pretty simple. Again, just a reminder that all the assignments, other assignments are open, so if you only want to shoot that within your thing, then perfect, do that. But this month we're going to do something different again. We're going to do your personal project. So as an example of what you can do is simply state what you want to do in the group. So go in the group saying, this month I'll be shooting X, Y, and Z, and I plan to deliver it this day or this day. That could be up to you. You can plan to do it whenever you want or whenever you're available. I think signaling what your intentions and making it public sometimes can help you make you accountable for it. So go in your group, say what you want to shoot, and then plan for it, and then shoot it. It's really, really simple. You just have to get it out of your system and get started immediately. Again, it's been 1 year. There's been some participation in the group, but not enough for the 4,000 people that were now in the group. I want to see some more activity, and I want to see some more shoots, something more thoughtful, not snappy, but really like planned out, laid out, and produced, because that's what you get paid for. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be sharing some BTS and some thoughts on the subject in the next few days, so stay tuned. Just make sure to like this video if you like it. If you disagree with my approach or whatever I said, leave a comment and let me know why. If you actually like what I just said and like the content, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date. And I hope you will enjoy this. I truly believe it will change your portfolio and your photography career. So please participate. And if you have any questions, again, join the Facebook group that's in the link below. And thank you, good luck, and happy shooting.